Iao Valley Rainforest. The Iao Valley is a lush, green rainforest in the West Maui Mountains about 3 miles inland from Kahalui. This area receives 300 in rainfall a year. The steep, forested hillsides are green with several streams cascading down the slopes. The Iao Needle is a geologic, volcanic feature formation that protrudes from the jungly greenery. It is a dike created when surrounding ridges eroded away and the harder rock remained as a spire. A gorgeous paved pathway leads to a set of 135 stairs up to a viewpoint for the Iao Needle, a culturally significant ceremonial site. Definitely recommend a short trip and stay to this site. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.